Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Unboxing guys. Unboxing puzzle guys. This is for number 4 na puzzle. My husband did a great job for the puzzle. The last puzzle they did for 3 days. Like 3 days eh. This one lot of hour. And the other one, this one, oil again guys. This one no. That. How many pieces this? Same size. 750 pieces guys. Hmm. This is lot of car. 2, 4, 6 car. 2, 4, 6 car, guy. Oh. 6. 6 car, guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 car. This is the puzzle. And I show you, guy, the latest. This is good. Ah. This is the latest, guy. Number 3 na puzzle. And my husband bought a frame. And we need to hang the wall. Very nice, oh. Yeah. You see, guy? Very nice, oh. And I show you guys the other one if done. That is take for I don't know how many days. Maybe 3 days again. And then put that again in the frame because they bought already two frame. Very nice guy, oh. Look at that. Remind me in the filling station in Manila, guy. We ate this in filling station restaurant. Comment below, guy, who eat that kind of restaurant. Lot of stuff in there. Have motorcycle hanging in the ceiling. Lot of car. Something like that in the US. Yeah. Very nice. Look at that. Oh. I don't know where to hang this. Of course, over here in the living room. So that's why I always see. Oh, it's so beautiful, guy. And that's it, guy. Bye-bye, guy. And see you in the number 4. Over there. Bye, guy. Nice.